To create your own custom shortcut key, first you have to select the application. Suppose I have selected this application here. Then right click on it, go to the properties option. Then here you can see that there is a shortcut menu present. Select that, click on the none option and choose any key which you want to assign as a shortcut for this application. Then choose any key which you want to assign to as a shortcut key. I'm going to press here A. As soon as I press A, here you can see that it has directly assigned Control Alt and A as a shortcut key for this application. Then you have to click on Apply, continue, yes, then click on OK. Now Control Alt and A is the shortcut key to open this application. I'm going to here press Control Alt and A. I have pressed that and you will see this application is going to get open now. As you can see that this application has opened, but I have pressed Control Alt and A. So this step can be applied to any application which you want. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching.